In this video, we will take you through the basics of your teacher dashboard on Reading Plus. Your teacher dashboard is where you measure and track your pupils' usage and progress. You can do this through accessing the in-depth reports and live data. The reports can also be broken down into school or class level, or you can even look at individual pupils. Your main screen provides a detailed overview of how your classes are doing on Reading Plus. You can see how many pupils are completing their weekly assignments, who are hitting their targets, and what progress they are making. There are a wealth of reports for you to look at that analyse your pupils' reading development in various ways. Depending on what information you need, you will gravitate to some reports more regularly than others. We recommend that you check the progress and usage reports at least twice a week. You can download any report as a PDF. This will make it easier to share data with colleagues and senior leaders to evidence impact of the programme. For more advice on using your teacher dashboard, please visit our website.